Good evening, everybody. We are here all the way up in North Florida.
With our jackets on.
With our jackets on. Out on the river because there's a boat parade. This is like the most Floridian thing we've ever done in our lives.
Is it?
Yeah, like going out and watching a Christmas boat parade.
I guess you're right, yeah.
Where else do you see these things?
I thought they did it at Disney.
Well, I mean, they have the electrical light parade.
No. I thought there was like an actual boat parade that they did during the holidays. Am I wrong?
I don't know where I don't think so.
I might be wrong. Here's my favorite part about this area, though. Show them the chairs.
There's the chairs. They have these swing chairs.
Yeah, and you can sit out here and watch the boats.
And I guess apparently eat pecans too?
No, they're pistachios.
Those are not pistachios, those are pecans.
Oh my gosh, it is a pecan. What's that?
Those?
That's like a Cocoa Puff.
Oh yeah, it's Cocoa Puff.
But like, I guess none of these boats are in the parade.
Well, maybe they're gonna like go out and be in the parade. We have to go over there.
Oh.
Like Wolfie's is where, like that's Wolfie's right there. They have viewing on the porch of Wolfie's, and then there's a memorial park over here that we're gonna go to.
I love that everybody's wearing their Santa hats. Why didn't we wear
Where? Who else is wearing a Santa hat?
Way up there.
Oh yeah. Look at the dog has a little Santa bow on.
We're not festive enough.
Oh man, Jen, look.
Oh my god.
That's a vacuum cleaner.
That was a snake.
No.
I literally was like, snake.
What is dinging?
The trolley.
It's a Christmas trolley. Wow.
That's really interesting. I wonder where it goes.
I don't know, but it's free.
Where does it go?
Does it say? It just says downtown shuttle. He's ringing it the whole time? How'd you like to spend Christmas watching a boat parade?
With loud trucks.
With loud
Look at
trucks.
the palm trees are really nice.
That's where we're going. That's where we're gonna watch the boat parade from. Spider Pig, why aren't you decorated? You need to be decorated, Spider Pig.
I think he's still my favorite boat, even though he's not decorated.
Spider Pig does whatever a Spider Pig does.
Which is not dressing up for the boat parade.
Quick question though.
What?
Is that what it's called?
What?
Dressing up? Do boats dress up? Or are they decorated?
I look at it like Thomas the Tank Engine is a human inside of a tank steam train body, right?
Is he?
This is what I learned on the internet today. So I would say that the boats are gonna dress up because they're basically like people. It's kind of like Cars from Cars, Disney's Cars.
Cars are cars.
But
they're not people dressed up as cars. They're just cars.
Well, no, but they are also kind of. I don't like walking by people and vlogging.
I don't care.
I do. Like, we've been doing this for a long time, and I still am not.
They got me. They understood what I could see it in their eyes. They were like,
I never look. I don't make eye contact.
Tim knows what he's talking about. Cars are cars. They're not people cars. People in cars.
No, it's not true. They are people inside of cars.
Look, here are some of the boats that are all decorated.
There's a lot of people out here.
Yeah. This is exciting. This is the thing to do on a Saturday night.
I love this row of trees.
Oh, look. There's like honk honk. Does that work? I don't think they can honk. I tried to do that thing. You know, like when you see a truck, you do this.
I want to do that.
And they didn't honk at us though.
I wanted to do like a keg of champagne.
That's not a thing, is it?
I'm gonna make it.
That sounds real expensive.
$1 million idea.
$1 million. It costs $1 million. Not you're not gonna get $1 million.
Is that not what $1 million idea means?
No.
It costs you $1 million?
No, it means that you're supposed to get $1 million. Open sleigh? That was probably my favorite thing that's ever happened. There was a dog that was like growling at another dog, and the owner was like, she's friendly. And I was like, that dog looked very angry. Oh, look, it's like Disney. They're selling like flashing swords and stuff.
Should we do that?
I feel like this is opportunistic, right?
Yeah, we really are missing
Just
out.
order on Amazon, buy 1,000 lady swords.
What the heck?
Set up shop. This is a big time event. Everybody's out here ready to see the boats. You guys see that paddle wheeler out there? That was one of our first dates.
It was.
Oh, did you get embarrassed by those people that were right next to you and I was filming you?
You did. Like, why? What?
Oh look, everybody's starting to head out. They got their boats all decorated. There's a lot of people on that boat.
Oh, that looks so fun.
It does. I've always wanted a pontoon boat. The sign of a good time, there's just a dead fish here in the grass. Good times.
It looks like a swordfish.
It's a gar. Look at them teeth. We're just waiting for the boats to start lining up. We still got 15 minutes.
Okay.
So it looks like there's at least 4 boats and they're oh, this one's gonna ram the other one. Look, he's heading full speed. What do we do if there's like a lighted boat accident?
I feel like it's like well-dressed boat right ahead.
The boats aren't dressed. Those are naked boats. Fun fact, Jenna and I almost bought a houseboat before our house.
It's true. Yeah.
We were gonna live on the river.
I'm glad that we didn't.
Yeah, it would have been too small.
I think
would have been
so.
an adventure.
Well, and they were a little more expensive than like houses that we were looking at, which
True.
is very strange.
True, for a very old houseboat, it was
Yeah.
gonna be about like $120,000.
So nuts, but I mean, it definitely, like you said, it would have been an adventure.
Yeah.
A terrible one.
The sun is setting. It's gonna start soon, I'm sure of it. What if it just never starts? There's all these people. Well, they said it was gonna be at 6. Oh, we got 5 minutes.
Well, you think it's just like one big troll? Like,
Yeah.
let's get all these people down here and tell them. And we're even gonna get a couple of boats dressed up real
Yeah.
nice. But
They're just going somewhere else.
Yeah, they're actually gonna go that way.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
There's a second group of people selling light up toys. I wonder if there's gonna be a turf war soon. It's starting. You guys, look, there's lights right there. I hope they come real close. Bam, 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 bam.
What is it though?
I don't know. I'm gonna. Maybe it is a reindeer.
It's
Yeah.
like Rudolph leading the.
Oh, you know, I don't really know Rudolph. I know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen,
Randall.
but I don't really recall. A lot of people say he's the most famous reindeer of all. Oh no, this one's got a rogue boat. Maybe he gave up. He's like, I don't want to be part of this parade anymore. It is a reindeer. It's a reindeer and it's pulling some form of lights behind it.
I see. That's like his motion lights.
Yeah.
Oh.
What is this little teeny tiny thing? It is a little kayak and he's waving at everybody. Look at this guy.
It does look
Yeah.
like that.
They're like throwing stuff to the crowd. It's like a boat Mardi Gras. This is a pandemonium parade.
That's awesome.
Nobody's following any of the parade rules.
Like, there's so many.
There are a lot of boat. We're all blurry now. Look, there's one way out there. I don't think he knows that there was a boat parade going on. This is a boat gang. I think this boat like stepped up the game, and now everybody's like, oh no, we didn't bring anything to throw out to the crowd. Santa. Oh, they didn't throw anything. Whoa, look at that thing. Whoa. Thank you. Santa on a boat. There's boat Santa. Santa, did you get my letter?
He wants a Nintendo.
I wanted a nice shirt and some sweet kicks. You know what? I think the funniest thing about this entire boat parade is the people on the boat are waving at us, but we can't see the people on the boat. They have lights on that are making our vision difficult. Is this one behind it an actual boat, or is this one towing that boat? It's a little teeny tiny sailboat.
Is that another kayak?
No, I think it's just a small sailboat.
Oh no, somebody dropped their light up thing in the
Oh no, we have a light up thing down.
Around me are familiar faces.
This one looks amazing. Oh, I like their Christmas tree on there too. It looks really good.
It does.
Thank you for blaring Josh Groban. Oh, he's got jokes. Where did this paddle wheeler come from? And why do you, who has a paddle wheeler? It was a great parade. See you guys again next year. You could have been in the parade. You could have been a contender. So we made it downtown after the boat parade, and there's like a street party going on. It was exciting. I don't know why there's a street party, but this place has a teepee out in front of it. Oh, there's a lot of food trucks. This place sells a pizza cone. Just missed Santa. Dang. There's a wrestling ring set up here too.
Are you guys ready for some pro wrestling?
Yeah, I know I am.
I didn't even know this was happening.
Me neither.
Are you guys ready for a tax audit?
Yeah. Oh no, the Rat Patrol's coming.
So that way, you can take yourself to Walmart, print it out, and lay it next to your pillow so you know what it's like to wake up next to a real man instead of all you beta men out there.
Oh, that was our pose? That was a terrible pose. Oh. Oh, this is exciting. Uh-oh. no, oh no. Whoa! Oh, that was 3! Yeah!
And your winners, the Outlaw Mafia!
This was a nice surprise.
Right?
We kind of walked up on this.
Just walked up on a wrestling match. I think my favorite thing about that wrestling match was the guy behind me had his kid up on his shoulders,
Right.
and he asked his kid, he said, I'm gonna call him Steve. I didn't catch what his name was. He goes, Steve? You're not peeing on me, are you? And then he goes, no. He goes, do you have to pee? And he goes, no. He goes, all right, don't pee on me. We're just walking by and we found this Greek restaurant. TheTimTracker? What are you doing? Is that a sandwich you're eating? There's like a bike parade going by now too. This is a 2 parade night. Happy birthday. Oh look, this guy's on a big tall bike. Look.
Oh my gosh.
From Pizza Cone Express, I went with pepperoni and bacon. It's pretty good. It's kind of small, but looks pretty all right.
You got something you want to say?
Merry Christmas!
I think I just lost my job. Thanks, kid. You are my call, and you're my reason. Keep giving me hope, bring me joy, everlasting, just for the asking. You bring me joy. Will somebody, anybody, please scream joy? Back it up.
What?
There has been a rash of successful, like, closing down the streets and having street parties.
I thought you were just going to talk about your rash.
No. So that's because everybody that's our age was going to bars.
Right.
And then they had kids, so they can't go to bars anymore.
This is like
now they can bring their kids, put them in the bounce house, and then go get a beer and watch a band, watch some wrestling.
Well, and also there's a band that's playing here tonight that we listened to like 10 years ago, like when we were kids.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited for this band.
There's like carnival games down here too. I just parked here earlier. Now what do I do? Oh my gosh, it's Santa. Santa! Happy birthday, I mean Merry Christmas. There is so much like space down here. It goes on forever. Look, there's one of those snow globes that you can get your picture taken in, but it's been deflated. I wonder what's going on. Figured to end the video we should come out here to the dock, and originally we were gonna have the boats behind us, but then we realized that our face is like actually right here's not too bad.
Yeah.
But we're actually on a floating dock, like so that was crazy. That band that we just showed at the end, both those bands, it's like our childhood right there.
Well, I kind of feel like we've vlogged watching the Thomas Wynn band before. I don't
think we have.
Have we not?
No, I don't think so.
It was something that we listened to. We watched him like 10 years ago, and it was just really brought us back to like the beginning of like our relationship, I feel like.
Yeah.
I don't know. It was a fun night. it was definitely not anything that we thought would be there. That was a surprise.
Right, yeah, all that I knew about was the
boat parade.
And I was like, let's go watch a boat parade. And then I was like, there's a party going on in the streets.
That was awesome.
These guys are wrestling right now.
It was so weird.
And then there was bands.
But I mean, I would definitely recommend like getting out, exploring, seeing what there is to do out there, because maybe you'll find something like this and be pleasantly surprised.
Yeah. So, with that being said, we are off, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
And now it's time to pay the price.